You know how it is. Your hopes, your dreams, your plans for a project. And then reality comes and smacks you in the face. Yeah, that. The idea is to build a spinning wheel out of gingerbread because, do I have to have a reason? I'm going to make a spindle wheel, something like this, avoiding the more complex flyer mechanism, like on this castle wheel. I'll go with a Saxony style wheel, which has its drive wheel off to one side and the mother of all on the other. Unlike this wheel, mine will have legs, but let's make it hand powered so I don't need to make a treadle. What we do need, however, is a distaff, because I'm all about learning how to use distaffs these days. Before we venture into the world of holiday baking, first, let's give homage to all the failed attempts. May you rest in pieces and in my stomach. In the description of this video, I've included links to much better gingerbread recipes than what I did. Let's get cooking. Half a cup of lard. Half a cup of firmly packed brown sugar. And 1 cup of molasses. I put them in a pot on medium heat, stirring occasionally until melted. In a great big bowl, I put 4 cups of flour, 2 tablespoons of ground ginger. Let me just say this, get it out there. It's gingerbread. It should taste like ginger. I'm not going to apologize for how much ginger I put in. 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon, half a teaspoon of salt. Add the melted sugar lard mix. Mix them up. I added a few drops of warm water until it made a very stiff dough. Rolled this out various thicknesses and cut shapes in it. At this stage it became abundantly clear that I have no idea what I'm doing. I kind of gave up on filming. Bake it in the oven for between 10 and 15 minutes. Take the trays out of the oven and let the gingerbread cool and harden completely. That's been cooling for a day. Let's make some icing. 1 pound of icing sugar. 3 egg whites. 3/4 of a teaspoon of cream of tartar. Put them all in a bowl and with an electric mixer, I beat until it is thick as Mr. Thickety Thickface from Thicktown, Thickania. From there, you just put stuff together. The end result was nothing like my vision, but I learned more about spinning wheel construction in 2 days than I have in 20 years of working with them.